I've literally invested all my money into stocks and shares. Here we go. So I've made this channel. It's January the 12th. It's a Tuesday, January the 12th, 2021. And yeah, I kind of wanted to use this channel to sort of document my journey in terms of investments, see sort of where I can get with it. Quick disclaimer, I'm definitely not a financial advisor. The purpose of the channel is, as I said, to sort of document my journey. However, I do want to change people's views on how they look at money. I feel that a lot of people, I don't know if it's the way we were just taught in school, however, we're sort of made to be spenders rather than savers. However, savings, especially investments, can have really good benefits. Um, Money is a subject everyone sort of runs away from, which is a bit annoying. However, unless we speak about it, we're not going to be able to improve. So I'll put up on the screen my HL portfolio, and then I've got a little bit in Trading 212 as well, which I'm finding to be a much better platform than HL. However, I did start with HL, and I like the idea of keeping everything in one place. However, as I've got to start to use Trading 212 and realize sort of, could I say it's a better platform? I believe so. Yeah, you know what? I'll probably do a video about pros and cons of sort of each platform. Um, but yeah, I do think that Trading 212 is better, so I will slowly probably try and move my funds over to them if I can. So yeah, I'll show my HL profile here. I don't have my phone to look at it and sort of speak on it as I'm recording on it. Yeah, sorry if the audio or the visuals or if the video is not perfect. This is literally same day I made the channel, same day I'm recording this and putting it out there. So might not be perfect. But yeah, I've come a long way from that account. Like, ignore where it will say gains or losses. That's not correct. The gains are much more than what the account shows. However, let's say for example, if you buy a share and then you sell it, that's not included in there. That's sort of just your current sort of what you've invested at the moment, the gains and the losses currently speaking. So what's sort of actively trading. Yeah, unfortunately, we don't get taught this stuff in school. I don't know why. Well, I think I do know why. I think society in general just prefers spenders rather than savers. If everybody saved, I don't know, basically they could have taught us all of this stuff in school, like they should really teach us how your credit score is going to impact on your ability to apply for a house or to apply for a finance deal on a car or even just your mobile phone. But they don't seem to teach us, anything to do with building credit, or at least from what I know and the people that I know, we weren't taught anything like in regards to credit, in regards to basically we just weren't taught enough financial information. There's your credit score, which is really important, and then just in general, just sort of investing. No one sort of, I wouldn't say advised, but they could have helped us in terms of show us what options we have, how investing in XYZ may impact us positive or negatively. It's just you're not taught any of this stuff, and then they go and teach you like algebra, which is like, I don't know, but I've never used algebra apart from school, and probably never going to use it. So I would have much appreciated if they did go and sort of, no, if they even just change it now and just teach the youth something what I think is beneficial. But yeah, I don't know, this it's important because it allows you to, it opens up another world for you. If you have finances, you can go and do XYZ. You can go and, if your job allows you, maybe book a holiday the same night, and fly out, or start a business, or I don't know, get yourself a gift because you just want to buy yourself a gift. It gives you options, so that's why finances are really important. Like, without them, you're just sort of stuck. I mean, we've all been in a position where you don't have money, and it's just, I don't know, maybe your friends are all going out and it's a rubbish feeling. If you can't go out just because of money, it's not a nice feeling at all. That's why we should sort of change the way we look at it. I'm a big fan of having like a rainy day fund. I think people have come to realize this more in the current times we're living in. Yeah, so hopefully I'm going to be able to document my journey. Maybe what I would like to do is, even if I can just help a few people just change how they look on their finances. A lot of people, what they literally do is, so let's say they get paid at the end of the month, they get X amount, 2,000. That's their sort of budget for the month. So that's how much they're looking to spend, if not more, of like a credit card, which it shouldn't be like that, because you're sort of always on the chase for funds after this. But yeah, the whole purpose of the channel is just to sort of document my journey and hopefully just inspire other people to look at money a bit more differently. And let's see where we go. I'm sorry again if the audio visual is not the best. On the background is pretty plain, but drop a like, drop a comment, make sure you subscribe, and that's it.